So we are back from the sandblaster, and we're going to continue our disassembly. Obviously you can tell we pulled the doors off. We've got our wiring harness all disconnected. Rocker panels look really good. Obviously when you get it back from the sandblaster, you see other things that you didn't notice beforehand. There's some crusty looking weld in there, but all of the body seams and everything look really good, which is what we were hoping for. So now the next step is going to be to go ahead and remove the body from the chassis. Some of you guys might be wondering, well, why didn't you just take the body off and take it into the sandblaster? Well, I wanted it to be able to drive in and out so that it could be easier to move. The sandblaster didn't have a forklift or anything like that to move it around, so we decided to pull it, get it sandblasted, pull it out, and then we're probably going to do some cleanup stuff after we get it into primer anyway. So anyway, the engine is mostly disconnected from the body. The steering shaft is disconnected, and we are ready to go ahead and lift the body off of the chassis and see what we're working with there. Well, we're beyond committed at this point. We have transitioned all the way to a complete frame-off restoration of our Wagoneer. There you can see our Buick 350, chassis Turbo 400, Dana 20 transfer case, looking nasty. Wagoneer fuel tank on the side, Dana 44 rear axle, spring over in the back, spring under in the front. So now we are going to roll this chassis out, get it cleaned up, and we discovered some more rust in our floor pans. So we're going to have to address that rust, get the underside of this cleaned up so that it can look nice and pretty and preserved like the rest of it.